A single moment of carelessness can change lives forever. Is this the future we want for our loved ones? Every year, thousands lose their lives just because they didn't wear a helmet or fasten their seatbelt. One mistake, and a life is lost forever. Who suffers? The family, the children, the future. Prevention is in our hands. A helmet and a seatbelt don't take time to wear, but they can save a lifetime. Children follow what they see. Be the example. Follow traffic rules. Stay safe. Make sure your loved ones do too. One life saved today is a future secured tomorrow. Obey traffic rules. Protect your life. Inspire the next generation. Wear a helmet. Wear a seatbelt. Share this message. Save lives.